everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Hudson Bay gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top and type in www.thebay.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to log into your account, and once you are logged in order to redeem your gift card, you can go ahead and choose a product online that you would like to shop with, and in the checkout page you can apply your gift card available to you. Simply select an item that you would like to purchase and add it on your shopping bag. Once you do that, click open your shopping bag, which is available at the upper right, and click on the checkout button in the pop-up. Now, on the next page, you'll be able to see the order summary of the product that you are trying to purchase. If everything's okay and you are good to go, click on the checkout button on the right hand side of the screen. Enter your shipping address and click on continue to shipping method. Go ahead and select your shipping method and click on continue to payment method. In the Payments Method tab, you can go ahead and choose your credit card, PayPal or PayBright as a mode of the payment for the product, but if you'd like to redeem your gift card that is available to you, go and click on Have a Gift Card link at the bottom. Now, enter the gift card number available at the back of your Hudson Bay gift card. Make sure to enter it correct and head over to the PIN button and type in the PIN code available as well. Finally, click on the Apply button, and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Hudson Bay online, quick and easy. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.